When you've got 15 minutes to get everyone fed and out the door, these dairy-free pizza rolls come to the rescue. They're warm, portable, freezer-friendly, and easy to customize with whatever pizza toppings you already have on hand. For the filling, I'm keeping it simple: marinara sauce, dairy-free cheese, plant-based crumbles, and a few pizza seasonings. But this is one of those recipes that's easy to make your own. Pepperoni, veggies, leftover cooked sausage, extra cheese, whatever your family loves on pizza will work here. I especially love recipes like this because they help use up those little bits and pieces hanging around in the refrigerator before they go to waste. For the dough, I'm using Rhodes rolls. Once thawed, flatten each dough ball into a small circle, add a spoonful of filling, and pinch the edges together to seal. One thing I appreciate as an allergy parent is that Rhodes rolls are manufactured in a dairy-free facility, which makes them a staple in my freezer. Just don't overfill them, or you'll have pizza filling escaping all over your baking sheet. I did make some of them into circles, and I did make some into crescent shape. Whatever shape you make, just make sure the edges are sealed. Once they're all filled, I put them back onto a baking pan. I brushed the tops with just a little bit of olive oil and bake until they're golden brown. The result is a soft, fluffy roll wrapped around a warm pizza filling that's perfect for busy weeknights, after-school activities, or those nights when dinner has to travel with you. Save this recipe for your next busy evening and follow for more allergy-friendly meals the whole family will actually want to eat. See you next time.